You get to see a different side of Bangkok while riding around. Mr. Philip the guide would also bring to some amazing local stalls and have delicious Thai food. I might do it again just to enjoy the breeze while touring around in scooter again. So much fun. Impressed with Mr. Tony, the young guide who took very good care of the customers. He was friendly and cared about the safety of the customers in every aspect throughout the trip. He took impressive photos, beautiful angles of each place, and even the natural gestures while the customers were doing their activities. Most importantly, the guide cared about the safety of the customers very well, no matter what the customers might do, accidents, and the customer's property. The trip ended with a great impression. I will definitely. Since I only had a few days to stay, I was looking for a way to quickly visit the main places and enjoy local cuisine when I found this tour on Klook. I got on an electric scooter to go around various places and enjoy the cuisine, just as I wanted. The tour manager for that day was Mo, whose English was easy to understand, and I felt close to him as he worked hard to guide me. If you are not sure what to do on nights, you can join this. It's recommended as you go around the town into the streets using the C-scooter. It's a fun experience. You can try some local snacks. You can preempt the guides on certain snacks you would also like to try during your time in the market so that they can lead you to their own money. They get you some pad thai and some snacks included in the package. They take you on a ferry across the land, through Chinatown, certain places with nice views. Taking videos might be hard while driving unless I thought I booked Saturday night. I thought a bunch of tourists will be with me, so I could be a backbench. Guess what, I was the only one, and I guess I can't eat too much, so I asked Tommy to just show me the temples. He also brought me to famous desserts and cafe charcoal bread. It was nice neighborhood. I am thankful he accommodated. I have no e-scooter experience. I learn in the alley. After a while I realized if your first time, try to accelerate and sit back. This way you can control better. After a while I am able to maneuver to a short traffic. I enjoyed the spacious freedom scooting at night at Grand Place and at Wat Arun and opposite Wat Arun. Overall this session shows myself I can accomplish it. This tour was actually so much fun. Highly recommend turning up early to get practice and confidence on e-scooter before the tour. Me and my husband had so much fun riding for the first time on them, and good food tour. Last food stop is the Chinatown night market. Would recommend you buy some food there if you're still hungry on the tour. I was full but my husband was still hungry.